Take a small screwdriver and prise off this little cover on the door handle. That is actually a Torx bolt. That's removed. Keep it safe. Next we want to remove the screw from inside the door handle. It's a T20. If you don't have the correct Torx equipment, use a small screwdriver that fits in. Okay, that's that out. Next we need to undo a bolt at the bottom of the door here. It's a 10mm bolt. Simply unscrew. There. It's fairly long, but don't lose that. Now that is all of the external screws off the door. Remove the closing handle and unplug the switch from the handle. There are little plastic lugs holding it on. Just prise them back or push them in there to remove the plug from the switch. That's those loosened. Keep this to one side, and there you have the switch removed from the plastic housing. Now what you need to do is unclip this soft panel from the plastic part of the door. I've got a small crowbar which I can push in, slide up and just pop off the clips. He says there's one. Slide it across until you feel the clips. Once you've unclipped all of those clips, this lifts up and you will need to undo this, with the same Torx that held on that screw, which is T20. So now all of the screws and bolts are out. To remove the actual door card itself, you need to lift it. As you can see in there, there are some lugs that go into the door itself. You need to lift the door frame up and pull out. It's a two-hand job and it's a bit difficult, but persevere and you'll get it off. So that's the door card off. It'll dangle on these wires and cables, so be very careful you don't snap or dislodge any of them. But there you go, your door card is off. Here's the electric window motor, and this is the regulator that we need to remove. It's held on by one bolt, which is there. This one is a T8. It's very small, and it is up there. It's very small, so try not to drop it when you take it off into the bottom of the door and keep it safe. Now I need to remove the regulator from the motor. It's held on by a couple of clips here, so again I'm going to use a small screwdriver to prise one open. I can't get to the one at the back, so I'm just going to use force to bring it off, and there you go. Let's remove this. It does rest on this metal ledge there, so you will need a bit of wiggling. And then unclip these from around the bottom, and you can remove the regulator. That's the regulator off, and it's pretty obvious why it didn't work. It looks like it's been on fire. It actually smells burnt. It's melted into there, so oh dear. But that's how you get your door panels off and remove your window regulators.